Shaw, Jung. Okay, the alphabet system here, ABC system here, it's all over the world. And if you learn that, you can transfer this knowledge, this sound system, into any language. For example, Spanish, French, or Italian, or whatever it is. Okay? You can pretty much kind of put this sound in. You can read those words, but you might not understand what they say because you don't speak the language. Okay? The Hanaya Janda Beshi Nama Shi to Hadia. Actually, la pe to na mua the swan a jala long te tum ben dai na, okay? Long te tum ben dai je te auto lo mo auto pe ja swan hong je pe te le ha to mai na. Je chi ta rin da je wo li hai ta shi no na. Ja ne mo ho go ne shou jan de mong na to ho na le nong so da ya da chi la ni yin chu ta tha tia chu za我哋呢個做 history 啦，即係咁樣，佢做蒙得蒙幾隻或者嗱，我就能話因為話YouTube 嚟有啲就係做幾呢幾隻錯假錯廿年啦，就是嗱，佢哋變咗啲錢啦，俾呀貼有圖嘅啲呀，即係老咗嘅，一度路嘛，貼到一度路啊，你都嗱就知道啦，就一主要啲呢個就路大就呢嘛冇，คนคว้าว่าอะไรเนี่ยมามูที่อาจุยเนี่ยว่าอะไรอย่างนี้จ้าเอ็นซีตัวเนี่ยใช้ขัดเจงว่าอะไรลีน่าเต้เกิดใจเก๋หลับป้าตัวนี้ตัวแข็งเดี๋ยวเป็นสไตล์ยาจียาเนี่ยเลยมันตัวมีตัวมีหน่ออะไรอย่างตัวกตีว่าอะไรจ้ามันจะเด็กๆจอนนะเนี่ยเลยแต่มันย้อนจอนอเมริกาส่วนอะไรย้อนจอนแต่หนึ่งสิบปอลมันจะชีอยู่ซาโปแต่ตัวอยู่มัวเก๋มัวเชียnhỏ như là nhỏ hú pli lấy trả các anh tàu có thể buộc hú pli nó chia bê châu nó có sự chế chịu trên khe coi thì cấp hay có khó trong chế như vậy là cái để con nói với khó thì bê nhỏ ba tàu bê tần tròn để cho lúa nè cụ bao thì muốn nó trong từ ô lê bêวันหนึ่งnhỏ là bê vậy hải ninh bê chỉ mua chỉ ô lê thì chạy ra thì chỉ mua cho religion cho bê mua belief system bê mua tradition very long time ago. Okay, so we have to maintain that. Then the yamu veteran hailu achi shita, yeah, more than the point shita. Mu Christian like from here, that's a ka achi near to your part of God, ni part of God, and part of him. That's a ka yakan yam, Kajaku, like a achi yato go here, and the Kanya got the catching, that she got achi in a day. There's a guy like so much with that, that's a couple of children. That's a come on me to me. ก็มัวอาชีก็ต้องการแต่โอ้ก็ตุ่มหยอดอย่ามัวอาชีรอบอย่ามัวปนเนี่ยอย่าโยจีเจ้าตนามชมก็ที่น่าจะก็จะพอยาปีริจานะว่าจะจะป้าตัวกันตุ่มหยอดจะก็要จุ到时 YouTube 或者要需อาชีจะอินเทอร์เน็ตนะเราป้าเราชีรีเป็นจังชีอาชี Facebook นะถอนหนึ่งซึ่งเราว่าเราอยากพูดสักต้องถอนหนึ่งนะที่อยากต่อที่อยากโอเคWe will adapt to it in the future, our tradition, our belief system. Okay, so it is important that we learn how to read Hmong, and so we understand. If we need some help in a certain situation like that, then we can go on the internet to use Google like that. It's there. So, ลุงฮงถึงมัวเปย์อย่างใช่ไหม Okay, these are it's bê giả nhưng mà giờ chia thì giả tới chia là nó cũng là chỉ bê giả là giờ bê họ nè họ tới họ chỉ gì cho chân tới nè đấy cho số thời thì giờ chân miền tới bây giờ these are the alphabets. Okay, the alphabets in Hmong sounds, the way we say it in certain Hmong words, the first sound is usually the chân miền tới. Okay, so it's A B C D like that, but you will see that we don't use all the alphabets as a initial sound. Okay? Initial sound, these are the first sound that you put into the word, so you can make it sound like a Hmong sound, Hmong word. So the second part of the word is called Jandai Shua, or is a tone, is a vowels. Okay, we call it another way is vowels. Because in English if we have some alphabets only, some consonants only, we don't have the vowels, is no such word, okay? We got to have a vowel in there to make the sound, the word into a sound that we can use to understand, to say something. Okay, and the third one in Hmong, okay, this is Hmong language specifically. We have the, tone marker, which is it's very cool like okay. The tone is the sound that Hmong say, okay, like xia, xia, you can hear the sound that I say, yeah, like that. So that is a tone, okay? It's a musical tone, but it's a tone. So we have 8 of them, okay? 8 of the tone in the Hmong system that we're going to go into a little bit later. Okay, and here they give some examples. Let's say, Ga mu wu nia ning xia zhong. Yeah, it's in the yellow line here. Yellow line here. You have the J, S, V, M, G, V. Okay. These creators, they use the word at the alphabets itself to write as a tone. Okay, but there are 8 of them. Okay, here we don't have all of them. But we have the first one is, which is the Dao, which is the consonants, okay, or initial sound of the word. And those are the words that we're going to use, like the red one here. Okay, like an example here. Okay. So Hmong words we have only 3 parts: initial sound, vowels, and tone markers. Okay, is it difficult to understand to learn Hmong? Well, it will be easy for you if you are already a Hmong speaker. Okay, that will be easier for you, and also you know all the alphabets, or alphabet sounds. Okay. Okay. If you practice, you like it, you keep looking at words like that, and you can see the pattern of the words, because you remember that there are only 3 parts in the words, okay? So only the initial sound or consonant. Sometimes it's a vowel too, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. Now, this must be 3 parts: consonant, vowels, and tonal, okay? The tone for the words. Okay? First, you have to know the initial sound, or all the alphabets that are used for initial sound. Okay? And those are, as for example, the C. Okay? C. If you see the C here, and you see in English, you see k, right? The sound is k. But in Hmong, we're going to say jaw. Okay? We use the all with that to easier to hear it. Because if you go to school in America here, and they teach you the phonics system, they teach you only the sound of the letter. And when you blend the sound together, you can read the words. Okay? Especially for the little kids. If you go into school, they're going to tell you to say that's k. Okay? And at, like that. So cat, okay? So cat. So you can blend it. Now that's for you to learn. And Hmong too. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, jaw. Sure hay jaw. Okay. She told jaw will be to a jung. Yeah. Now yeah, actually, actually, just short jaw, okay? And jaw, okay? This is jaw. But in English, if you go into school, they're going to teach you to say like that, okay? So use only your tongue. So this is how we say sound in English, or doesn't matter what language it is. You use this symbol or these characters as a representation of the sound that we speak. Okay? They do da day. Okay? So da, they do da day. And these are the vowel and the tone at the end. But we're going to go into that a little bit more detail. Okay?